Hello, in this tutorial, I will be teaching you how to add a forwarding email address to your Gmail account. So that basically means that you will be able to, for certain emails or all of your emails, you can forward it to another email account. And yeah, so the first thing you want to do is go to the setting for Gmail. Here I'm in the Gmail homepage. So the setting is at the top right here. The setting icon, you click on that. And then under quick settings, you click on CO settings. And then in the setting here, you want to go to this forwarding and POP INAP, this one. You click on this. And then in the very first section, it's the forwarding section. So you want to do, just click on add a forwarding address, and then I'll put one here. And then just click on next. And then here you see a popped up window. Just click on proceed. And it tells you that a confirmation code has been sent to this email to verify permission. So click on OK. And then here you see a line that's waiting for you to confirm, to input a confirmation code in order to verify that. So here I've opened up my account. So go into this email. The confirmation code is here. So I can copy that. And then go back here, just put it in, and then verify. And so it's verified. And then once you do that, you want to click on this, change it to this one, so that it will actually be forwarding all your emails to this other email account. And then last thing you want to do is save changes. So click on that. And then you're all set. Thank you.